Wagwan viewers and subscribers, continue watch the video if you want to see more of Spragga Benz performance at Tracks live session. You know the rules, you know the laws. Hit that subscribe button if you're new here. Feel free to comment, like up the video, share up the video. So via subscribers, Spragga Benz is at it again, and this time he performed at Track live session, the Guinness Sounds of Greatness edition, and man not tell no lie. It was a pandemonium, as you all can see. Spragga Ben brought out Joshy, Agent Sasko, Lali, and many more Axe people. And I'm not going to talk too long. Just check out the next clip of Spragga Ben's Shell Tracks Live.
Yo. Quick! Hurry. Get out of here. Yo.
There you have it, dear subscribers. That was Spragga Benz, Shell Tracks live session. And I'm not telling a lie, he delivered hits after hits. And you all know we accept Spragga Benz already. I'm not telling a lie, his performance never normal. It bad, it wicked, it mad, it sicked. Talk to no people, and I'm not even gonna talk too long. I want you now, my viewers and my subscribers, and all of the Red Square fans them, spam up the comment section and let me know what you all think about Spragga Ben's performance at Tracks live session. It bad, it wicked, it hot, it cool. Is a hit performance or it miss? Yeah man, I want to see all of the fans them spam up the comment section and let me know how I go on. You know the rules, you know the laws. Hit that subscribe button if you're new here. Feel free to comment, like up the video, share up the video. You know it's your boy Dwayne, and I'm out.
On zip, nothing like